The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. I do have a Black Friday course sale running right now. It's 50% off my course, so go ahead and get yourself a present and enjoy learning technical analysis, because it is mandatory and it's not really good to be buying blind or selling blind, meaning if you just like a stock, you just buy it without even looking at the chart, because you might end up buying pretty much at the high point instead of a nice pullback, or you buy when the trend looks like it's stumbling and not looking like it's strong. So learning technical analysis is mandatory, and it's gonna most likely improve your trading / investing. So let's take a look at the SPY. Well, it looks like we're obviously in a correction, meaning overall pattern is down, but we're working up. So this is a correction, and I know it's a correction because we're still inside of this downtrend channel right here, this yellow one right here. So we're still working up in it. So any uptrends in a downtrend is a correction. So this is a correction working up. Market structure tells me that since we came from the lows, we go to the highs. So since we came up short on the lows here, we should see a breakout on this side of the channel, or sometimes, but less likely, is that we come up short the same amount, which is right about now we should be reversing back down. But as right now, it does look like we're going to be seeing higher prices for the SPY. We do have this measure move target also higher up, which is at the 410 411 level. So that's my target. It's been my target for a while now, and there's a gap fill right over here where the market can also target that area. So it does look like we're working up higher. We do have this potential orange channel supporting prices in the upward movement. So we do have this orange channel right here, and looking pretty good. We just bounced off that 390 level. You can see this 390 level was acting as support and resistance, and now we just bounced from it, so we found some type of support. So it does look like it's semi-bullish in the short term for the SPY. I mean, this correction has been lasting since October 13th, once we made this large green candle. So it's over a month so far. So usually these corrections take a long time. It could be another few weeks, probably into mid-December, before we start seeing some more selling, because I don't think this is the bottom for the SPY. Multiple reasons telling me why, because this doesn't look like a bottoming pattern, and also the downtrend is still in play because of this channel. So also on the macro charts, excuse me, there's a bigger channel in play that we have not even reached to either. So we don't really bounce at random areas. You just got to figure out why we bounce here, why we bounce here. So if you figure it out, then it all starts to make sense. You know, if you just connect the lines, you can see that why did we bounce right over here in August? Well, if you connect the trend line, it was acting as resistance. So right over here, and we do have resistance approaching soon, because that's what the market is working towards. So nothing is random in the market. Once you start doing this yourself, you're going to start seeing a lot of coincidences play out in the market. So basically, for the SPY, is looking semi-bullish. I'll be expecting higher prices. I mean, overall, this is still a downtrend, so we can't be expecting great, uptrends to develop as right now, because I think traders are just waiting to get a nice short opportunity. So it looks like it's working up temporarily, but once we reach these 410 411 levels, I think there's a good chance we might see some type of reaction from that and more sell-off. So that's everything I have for the SPY. Let's switch it over to the weekly chart to wrap it all up. Now here's the weekly chart for the SPY. This is the same drawings I had, but you can see now we have the price action since 2020. There's a strong up move. Now this is just a correction down. If I zoom out on the chart, this is the price action since 2008, 2009. And if I connect the swings here, you can see this looks like the uptrend channel that prices are respecting. Let's go and make this orange. Let's make this yellow. So even in right here, this crash in 2019, we bounced from that trend line. came very close to, we did bounce here in 2020, but we did break it. But on a macro scale, this is still inside the channel, so it's okay. So basically the uptrend is still in play, and since we just reached the top side, we're working back to the bottom side, so could take a while to play out. I'm looking for basically higher prices in the short term. Medium to long term, we should still see this downtrend pattern continue, so that's what it's looking like right now. If I go back in the chart history, let's take a look at this bottoming pattern right here. So looks like the market bottom after the dot-com bubble crash right over here in 2002, and look at what we got. We got a triple bottom, so we had to test this level. Traders had to see this level tested 3 times before being confident we were reversing. So we had triple test right there. That led to a massive rally. Now let's take a look at the 2008-2009 crash. Well, this one's a little different. This is a V bottom, so whenever we get overextended and we snap back, that could mark the bottom. It's like a capitulation move, so that's another bottoming pattern. Same thing occurred in 2020. These are V bottom reversals, and 2018 V bottom. So we might even get a V bottom. We might see a lot of prices dump soon, but as right now, this bottom right here, this temporary bottom in October, does not look like any of those patterns. So there's also a good chance it's not a bottom. So that's why I'm looking for lower prices. Macro structure is telling me that we should go lower also. So that's all I have for the SPY, and I'll give you guys an update next week Sunday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.